I'm Alex. I am the digital technician for National Theatre Wales The Gathering. It is my responsibility to help implement the broadcast from the side of the mountain. We will be broadcasting one of the performances for an audience who are not here on the mountain with us. So it's my responsibility to make sure the technical implementation on the mountain works and the kit is there, and to support the production as a whole. I'm looking forward to spending a lot of time in this glorious weather, in the rain and the sun, and enjoying the time on the mountain.